Hey guys, welcome to my secret fishing spot. Don't tell anybody about it. Let's do a quick rundown of what we got going on in the kayak here. As far as accessories go, obviously your first aid kit and the boat safety kit. Now as far as attachments, this is what I have going on so far. Now I'm not exactly 100% sure if this is where I'm gonna leave it, but this is what I have going on so far. Let's start at the back. So there's your, obviously your, you know, everybody's got one of those, the milk crate things with the I added in the rod holder there. Now I've got this thing here for the anchor. This is the kind I want to use. I don't want to use the one that goes along the side here, just because of the places I'm gonna fish. I'm not really gonna need to be monitoring my anchoring system. I can just drop my anchor and be fine with it. So obviously I have to get the anchor, but this is the system I'm gonna have going on. The rod holders that it brings, I'm gonna use those for nets. Maybe put another one there. I do have another rod holder here at the front, so that when you do try to land a fish, you always want to put your rod somewhere. So I'm gonna have this one here, that way I can help, it'll help me there. I have this thingamajig here. It's just an extension arm for the camera, so I can have it there and then swing it back this way, and hopefully it'll work better. I do have also the tripod, which I can use. Fish finder, I have the Humminbird Helix 7 there. That's where the fish finder is going to go. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put the battery. I don't want to drill any holes in it just yet, but for today we'll just leave it right there. And yeah, let's get on the water, see what's going on. Well, I had to put you guys down because the wind just picked up like a lot. I was kind of just, you know, just trolling. Put this lipless crankbait on and trolling, and look, got myself a nice little walleye out of the Thames here. Out of Fanshawe. Ow. Look at that. Beautiful fish here. He's a nice color too. Okay, buddy, off you go. Well, that's a nice one. Yes! Skunk is out. Yes! All right, well, it's time to head back out. We got one fish. Better than nothing. I'll see you guys on the next kayak trip.